Welcome back. Now we are going to solve question number 7 of this paper, which is figure 3 shows the design for a structure used to support a roof. This is the figure, it's showing that design. The structure consists of 4 wooden beams AB, BD, BC and AD, and given that AB is 6.5 meter, this AB is given 6.5 meter. BC and BD both are equal. This BC is 4.7 meter and BD is also 4.7 meter. It means this triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. And the angle BAC is 35 degree, which is already shown in the figure. We have to find to one decimal place the size of angle ACB. We need to find this angle ACB. Now for that one, we can use part A. If I prefer to use the sine rule, it will be more better to use the sine rule in that case. As this is the angle ACB that I have to use. So I can say for part A, sine of angle ACB over the side opposite to it, which is 6.5, will be equal to the sine of this angle 30, which is sine of 35 over the side opposite to it, which is 4.7. So to get this angle ACB, I can write it, take 6.5 to the other side. Sine of angle ACB is equal to 6.5 times sine of 35 over 4.7. And then sine angle ACB will be equal to sine inverse 6.5 into sine of 35 over 4.7. Let's calculate this. Is sine inverse 6.5 times sine of 35 over 4.7. That gives me 52.4. If I can write it 52.5 by rounding, after rounding 52.5 degrees. But if we look at the figure, it shows that clearly it is an obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degrees. So that's why I will write for this one. Another possibility is it will be 180 minus this 52.5 degree to get the obtuse angle of this one. So if 180 minus 52.5, that will make 127.5. So angle ACB in that case will be 127.5 degree. Now, if this angle is 127.5 degree, then what this angle will be? This will be 180 minus this angle. So I can write that also 180 minus this angle, that will make this 52.5. So this angle is 52.5 degree. So as this BCD is an isosceles triangle, so being an isosceles triangle, it means this angle will also be 52.5 degree, because in isosceles triangle, the base angle are same. So on that basis, I can calculate this angle also. This angle will be 180 minus this 52.5 minus 52.5. So taking that one, I can say it will be 180 minus this answer and once more time this answer that we got. So I can say this will be 75 degree. So that maybe we need to use in the next part. So that's why it's better. I found these unknown values. Now part B is saying find to the nearest meter the total length of the wood required to make the structure. Now what will be the total length of the structure? It will be obviously this side AB plus BD plus AD plus BC. So this will be the total length. So I can say for the part B, the total length will be AB plus AD. That still we need to find. That will be the main thing to find this one, which is AD plus BC plus BD. Now I have all of these except this AD. To find this AD, if I consider this triangle, let's say this is in this triangle, if somehow I need to find this total angle, if I will try to find this angle, somehow manage to find this angle, then easily we can find the side AD. So to do so, what I need to do is, or even directly the full angle I can find, as I have this one 35, I know this is 52.5. So this total angle in that case, if I will find, it will more better to find this complete angle. So how I can find this complete angle, considering this triangle, this angle will be 180 minus 35 minus 52.5. So it will be, if I will calculate, is 180 minus 52.5 minus 35. So it is 92.5. So this total angle is 92.5. So now using this triangle, if let's suppose I can say this one is x, if this side is x. So using cosine rule, as I have this one and this one, so using cosine rule, I can say x will be equal to, which is AD, or in other words, you can say AD will be equal to square root of the sum of square of the other two sides, which is 6.5 plus 4.7 square minus 2 to 6.5 into 4.7 cosine of the angle opposite to this side using cosine rule, which is 92.5. So now let's calculate it. We can calculate easily once in the calculator. Square root of 6.5 square plus 4.7 square minus 2 into 6.5 into 4.7 cos of 92.5. So that is 8.81. Rounding to 3 significant, it will be 8.19. Right, 8.19. So finally, now we have AB. Our AB is given in the question, which was 6.5 plus AD. Right now we found AB is 8.19. Rounding to one decimal place, it can be 8.2 plus BC, which is 4.7, 4.7. So total in that case will be 6.5 plus 8.2 plus 4.5. No, sorry, it's 4.7 plus 4.7. That will give me 24.1. So total is 24.1 meter, which to the nearest, if a question to the nearest meter, it will be 24 meter approximately.